guys! Welcome to our channel. Ngayon naman, mag-unbox tayo ng Cash Flow. Board game siya na pinasikat ni Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, yung author ng book na Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Ito siya. Yan. Basahin niyo to kasi maganda to. Sabi dito sa board game na to, who should play this game daw? Ayan.
Oo.
Sabi, ages 14 and up, people who are ready to become rich, parents who are afraid their kids will never leave home, and kids who are afraid their parents will move in, baby boomers wanting more for their retirement, and people who want out of the race and are tired of rats winning. So ayan, nabili ko siya sa Facebook page na Cash Flow Board Game Supplier Philippines. Sobrang bilis ng transaction sa kanya kasi kanina ko lang siya in-order, tapos ngayong hapon, pinadala niya na agad. Pinalalamove niya na. Ayun. So, tapos maganda pa kasi may pa-free siya na audiobooks. Sobrang dami, 200 plus. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano-ano yung mga books na yun. Audiobooks na yun, pero sobrang dami. Ang ganda. Ayan, buksan na natin.
Ano pinambili mo dyan?
Pinambili ko nga pala dito yung play fund ko. So, binawasan ko yung play fund ko para ipambili nitong board game na to. Lalagyan niya. Ayan. Ayan. So, meron siya, ito yung pinaka-board. Tapos, meron siyang, ano to? Game instructions. Manual. It's time to get out of the race. So, yan, yung game instruction niya. Rules, quick start. Meron siyang, ito yun, ito yung, nakalagay dito yung, ayan, yung mga goals. Yan, goals, income statement, kung ano yung mga, ito yung sinusulatan kapag ka nilalaro. Tapos, ito yung pang chip para dito. Ito yung pang die. Tapos, ito yung mga cards. Ayun, may pencil din kasi, ayan o, ang galing. Cash flow din yung pangalan nung pencil. Occupation daw tawag dito, sabi ni Queenie. Ayun, kasi ayan o.
Hindi ata.
Hindi, yun nga kasi nakalagay dito. Your profession. Oo, para pag naglaro ka.
Hindi ano kinukuha
Saka
mo?
namin i-explain kung ano yung, paano siya laruin. At saka
May orientation.
ano, kasi ako hindi pa rin ako naglalaro neto. Hindi pa rin
Dollar din.
Ayan, may pera.
Wow! Daming pera! Daming pera!
At advice nung pinagbilhan ko neto, i-laminate daw tong mga ito para hindi siya masira. Tsaka hindi maluma. Tapos ito, kasi mauubos siya eh. Pwedeng i-photocopy para dumami. Pwede rin naman na pencil na lang para pwede nating burahin-burahin.
Mga opportunities.
Pero naiwan.
Tapos ito, yung mga, ayan, cards para dun sa, ayan, small deal. Nakalagay dyan kung ano yung mga deal mo. Opportunities. Diba, bibili ka ng bahay or sa market. Yan, may iti-trade ka, ganyan. Tapos big deal, yung mga properties. Tapos ito yung mga expenses. Yan, buy big screen. Siyempre, di ba, hindi ka lang naman invest. Dapat, bumibili ka rin ng mga makapagpapasaya sa'yo. Yan, tapos, ayan, quick start instructions. Sabi niya, why play games? Games are a powerful learning tool because they enable people to experience hands-on learning. So, natry ko siyang laruin sa online, dun sa website ng Cash Flow ni Robert Kiyosaki. Pero gusto ko pa rin siyang ma-experience dito. May mga nag-offer naman ito. Kaso nga lang, matagal ko nang gustong mag-join. Kaso dahil may work, hindi ka naman makapunta doon kasi usually hapon nila ginagawa. Ayan, may mga binigay si Mr. Robert Kiyosaki na tip para dito. Sabi niya, hot tip number 1, do your best to get out of the rat race in less than 1 hour, 3 times in a row. Once you can do that, you have trained your brain to think like a professional investor. someone who is the master of their money. Sabi niya, yung fastest na nakita niya raw na nakaget out sa rat race is 20 minutes, playing with 4 other players. So, madami kasing pwedeng maglaro, at least, ilan ba yun? 6? 7, ayan, at least 7. Tapos, may mga iba, hindi talaga nakakalabas. They blame their frustration on the game taking too long. The games does not take a long time to play. What takes time is training your brain to spot opportunities. And that is the purpose of Cash Flow 101, to train your brain to see opportunities. Ayan. Every day we walk past $1,000,000 opportunities but fail to see them. After playing this game several times, you will begin to see more and more financial opportunities. In some cases, opportunities that have always been there right in front of you. Hot tip number 2. Take a blank financial statement and fill in your real financial position. So, ito yun. Your financial statement. Then, compare it to the financial statements of the other players. The key to long-term wealth is not how much money you make, but how many real assets you have accumulated. That is why a person with a small salary can become wealthier than people with large salaries. The sad reality is that most people spend their life working hard, accumulating liabilities that they think are assets, and then spend the rest of their lives paying off debt. Hot tip number 3. After mastering hot tip number 2, fill out another financial statement. This time, project 5 years into the future. What do you want your personal financial statement to look like 5 years from now? So, ayun. Discuss the action you plan to take to make it happen. Most people think the game of cash flow is played on the big, colorful board. In reality, the game is played on your financial statement just like we do in real life. The purpose of the cash flow game is to give you control over your personal cash flow. People who cannot control where their cash is flowing often struggle financially throughout their lives, regardless how much money they make. Ayan, just remember the big secret of the rich. They don't work for money because they know how to have money work for them. So, play cash flow often and become the master of your money. So, let's try. Laruin to. Bye-bye!